Alright y'all, we just left JD Sports, and sometimes we can say shoes are like close, like that consolation prize. You know what I'm saying? If you miss out on a sneaker, especially when a sneaker is overpriced per se. Man, this pair right here that you can see on the screen, this sneaker is going to be dropping this Saturday, and y'all, let me tell you, the material is A1. The quality is good on this sneaker, and it is close to the Travis Scott. I mean, of course, aesthetically, it's different than the medium olives. You know, the swoosh is not backwards and stuff like that. And the leather quality is more superior on the Travis Scott. But if you are looking for a Jordan 1 low in that olive colorway and you wanted some good quality, then this is the sneaker for you, man. Hey, shout out to JD Sport for letting me review these things. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not for early reviews. I'm going to have a lot more coming for you. But this pair right here, even though I think they're going to sit, this is going to be a pair that if you want to pick up, is going to be extremely dope to have. But as we always do, let's give you guys an early look. Comment down below and let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you guys. And let's get up into the early look. Let's go. Y'all, so we got an early look. Shout out to my people, JD Sport right here. These are the medium olive Jordan 1s. This is a size 8. Pause the video if you need to legit check. Look at your pair right there. You know what I'm saying? Black and medium olive color box right here. I took this paper out because it's crazy how they wrapping these things. So we're going to go ahead and open these things up. Take this top off this box. Here's the paper. They do come like this. And here are the shoes, bruh. These shoes are fire. I feel like people gonna sleep on these. I don't know why, but you got the big black Nike swoosh right there. Leather quality is pretty good on the sneaker. Back on the back end of the sneaker, you do have the Air Jordan Wings logo in black. Pretty good material, as you guys can see right there. You know what I'm saying? Toe box, good. Got the medium olive right there. The outsole is not aged. I think that's the biggest difference outside of the swoosh on the Travis Scott. You got the black and olive green on the tongue right there. A pair of black laces in there on the bottom. Looking right here, man. My opinion, inside, you see what I'm saying? Inside looks like that. This is a dope pair. This is definitely a dope pair, man. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking, man. These do drop in about a week and a half, last week of January. So I'm able to show you guys. Retail gonna be $140. These are fire, bro, in my opinion. Let me know if this is something that y'all gonna be going after. Y'all gonna cop, y'all gonna lead us along. What are y'all thinking, man? I think it comes with another set of laces. I'm not sure, but I think it's like a white set of laces or whatever, but super clean pair. Comment down below. Y'all already know the same, man. About what you like, know site. Remember everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my face. Let me know down below. We gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs in the